We'll find the center and the radius of a circle. The circle is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals 0. Now we want to write the equation in standard form for the equation of a circle, and to do that we're going to have to complete the square twice. I'm going to start by grouping the x squared and the 4x together, and I'm also going to group y squared minus 6y, and then we have plus 4 equals 0. Now I'm going to complete the square inside this set of parentheses first. So I'd have x squared plus 4x, and to complete the square I take half the coefficient of x, so half of 4 is 2, and I square it. And I'm going to add that, and then I'm also going to subtract 4, so that I've really added 0 to this equation. I haven't changed, I have an equivalent equation because I've added 0. And I'm going to do the same kind of thing over here in the second set of parentheses. I'll have y squared minus 6y. And what I add to complete the square is half of the coefficient of y squared. So half of negative 6 is negative 3. When we square negative 3, we get 9. So I'll add 9, and I'll also subtract 9 so that I really added 0. And then we have plus 4 equals 0. Now let's write this with the numbers that I've subtracted written outside the parentheses. I can write this as x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9. And then I'm going to have the negative 4, the negative 9, and the plus 4 here. Now let's see what we have. If I write this as the square of a binomial, I'll have x plus 2, the quantity squared. If I write this as the square of a binomial, I'll have y minus 3, the quantity squared. When I add these numbers, I get negative 9, and if I add 9 on both sides of the equation, then I have x plus 2, the quantity squared, plus y minus 3, the quantity squared, is equal to 9. Now I want to find the center and the radius of the circle, so I still have to do another step to get this in standard form for the equation of a circle, because I want it in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So I'm going to write this as x minus negative 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 3 squared. And now I'm able to determine that the center is negative 2, 3, and the radius is 3.